Hello and namaste to everyone. It's me Kirankhakural. Today I'm going to recite my short poem Nature. Nature, the center and source of food. It shapes all for the sake of good. Preserving it does nothing harm. If we observe, we feel charm. Little bird blooms be a flower. Rainbow appear when there is shower. Birds chirp on the branches of the tree. Children play as they look carefree. Animals dance, live and fight. To gaze it, a beautiful sight. Passers by stand by the side. Tourists enjoy on an elephant ride. Rivers flow through the mountain. When it falls, shapes a beautiful fountain. Mother of all living creature is known than the nature. Thank you.